when you yawn, or even sometimes when I just start talking about yawning, people start to yawn. Or if you yawn, your friend will yawn. It's because our mirror neurons are talking to each other and they're saying, oh, they're tired. Maybe I'm tired too. But you'll only have that happen if you're close with the person. So if you're ever on a date and you want to know how it's going, just, and if they do it too, then you can be like, yes, I got it. Or if you're ever wondering if someone is actually your friend, just throw a yawn in there somewhere and see. That's right. You're all going to test it with your coworkers now.